Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Lady Calls a Friend to Pick Up Her Car, but why?
Police conduct a traffic stop on a mysterious vehicle with no license plate, only to become suspicious when the driver claims she has absolutely no identification.
I'm on a gray four-door sedan, no tag attached.
Damn, no tag at all? Oh yeah, you definitely getting pulled over.
How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm Officer Cook, Phoenix Police Department. You know why I stopped you?
No.
I see now you have a tag in the back window, but you gotta have your tag on the back. You can't see it at all.
Yeah.
You the registered owner of the vehicle?
No, it's my niece's car.
It's your niece's? Do you have your license, proof of insurance?
No, I don't.
You just not have one, or?
I don't have one.
You don't have one?
Am I going to go to jail or do I get a ticket?
Well, I don't know. That's going to depend on you. If you will, though, we're just going to hop out with me and we'll stand right here. And once you're getting excited over something, it can be just a ticket. Where are you heading to?
Home.
Home? Where's home? Liberty.
Yeah.
So we got, I don't want nobody to hit the door. Let's go back and stand right here.
3728, copy of Florida 28.
You done tore up your chain.
Oh my God.
How'd you break your chain?
I don't know. I didn't even know it was broke. I had a charm on it. I guess
I'm gonna look you up and see what the ticket is, see what's going on. If you will, just stay right here for me. Right here.
People love their phones, boy. It's like they come in police contact and it's an instant magnet of being on your phone. Police phone.
Okay. So, I'm trying to look because how long have they actually been suspended?
hang on just a second. For a few years.
That's what I was thinking, because on there...
I've been trying to find out what I've got to do to get them back, but it's a civil judgment, so I've got to find out, the attorney is in Tallahassee, and I can't get up with him. I don't know what's going on, why I can't get in touch with him. And so, but...
Could you give a roundabout how long you think it's been? Because on mine, it's looking... I'm going to be honest with you, it says 2011.
Yeah, that's about right.
So they've been...
Yeah.
All right,
So I need to get somebody to come and get the card?
well, we'll get there. Just, you've been pretty honest, so that is what it is. But let me ask you something. Is there anything in that car I need to know about?
Nothing that I know about it.
Is there anything on you I need to know about? You sure?
I'm sure. I've got nothing on me, huh?
Okay. So, being as how it's been so long, I ain't got a whole lot of discretion over that one. If it had been a little, you know what I mean?
So I gotta go to jail?
Yeah, you're gonna have to take the ride.
Hey, can you come up here and get this car for me?
The car? Who's that?
He's gonna arrest me. Do you know how much my bond's gonna be?
Nobody. I have to tow the car.
Oh, you have to tow the car?
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna tow the car. Will I have a preset bond, or do I have to go to first appearance?
You should have a preset bond.
Okay, can you come and get me out? It's probably gonna be like $100, right?
It ain't a lot. Yeah, it's been so long. It would have been just suspended for a little bit, but since 2011, you ain't got a whole lot of excuse.
Can you come and bond me out? Oh. Okay, all right, well, look, he's going to arrest me, so let me go. So come get me tomorrow, okay, when you get out. When you get down with your stuff. All right, just please come get me tomorrow. Okay, thanks. Can I get my purse, because it's got my ID and all that in it?
Well, that's one thing at a time, so go ahead and take you one more drag if you want.
It amazes me how she's getting locked up now. Now she wants to grab her purse because it has her IDs and stuff like that in there. But when the cop pulled up to her on the car and asked her for license, registration, yada yada, he said she ain't got none. Crazy, man. This officer's pretty chill. He let her finish her conversation. almost finished the cigarette. You know, that this officer cool. I would, man, yo. Not after no 11 years, man. This video is from 2022 and it's been suspended since 2011. Come on, man. You must be playing with my intelligence, man. Like that's crazy.
I'm gonna double lock them so they don't pinch down on you, okay? Stay still, stay still. I was gonna turn it off for you, that way the battery's good when you get out, if you want. So, do you have anything on you I need to know about? You ever been to jail in Walton County?
Yeah.
You know they're gonna run you through that body scanner.
Yeah.
Okay, then you got nothing to worry about?
I ain't got nothing to worry about.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. You have nothing on you, no anything's gonna catch you another charge up there at the jail.
Nope.
Okay. So, let's go.
Okay, so I can't get my first one?
I'm gonna grab everything for you.
I think she got something.
So you,
Maybe not on her, but in the car.
Anything that goes in my car is getting searched, so you do want your purse, right?
Yeah, I mean, my purse doesn't have anything in it. I do. Okay.
She's screwed. She got something. Look how worried she is. Maybe drugs. Jackpot.
There's all those needles and pipes and all that in there.
I don't know.
And ain't you? You see this? You keeping your phone off. You sure you ain't got nothing on you? Because you gonna get searched now.
I'm sure.
Okay,
I'm sure.
they gonna strip you up there.
I know.
And it's gonna be another felony.
I'm sure that I don't have anything on me because I didn't even know there was anything in the car.
Okay, well, I give you a chance. It is what it is now. We can work on it. Listen, we can work on it on the side of the road if you got something. You get to the jail, that's gonna be the felony for introduction, and then whatever you got. Are you sure? Now
I'm sure I don't have anything on me, dude. I promise. I don't.
Okay, I always give everybody a chance.
Okay.
Remind me when you get out. You got your phone up here. You have nothing else on you though.
No.
Okay.
Woo.
You said there
She
was
hitting.
needles in the car?
Meth, all kind of stuff.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Did I get you?
No.
She was arrested and charged with possession of methamphetamine and driving while license suspended after a check revealed her license had been revoked since 2011 and drugs were found in her vehicle. She received a sentence of 3 years of probation.
Man, probation? Man, these public defenders, they killing it nowadays, boy. They must be, they ain't getting no time. Nothing. Come on, man. 11 years? You should know better. And you got caught with some things on you. At least give her a year jail time, you know. 6 months, something. Do something. Anyway, I think the officer did pretty good, man. I think he did pretty good. So I'm gonna give him 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did. I'm gonna catch you in the next video.